Installing an aluminum track is simple and takes only a few steps. Make sure that you have a screwdriver, tape measure, pliers, a hacksaw, and a cordless drill. Start by measuring out where you're installing your track. Mark where you'll be drilling your included screws based on the location of the pre-drilled holes in your track. You may need to cut your track based on your measurements and size of installation area. Then, make pilot holes where you marked. If you're installing your track in a drywall, you'll need to use the included drywall anchors for your screws. Simply press the anchor tip into the drywall, turn and apply pressure until it is flush. Then, you're ready to install your track. Next, place the track against your surface and drill your screws into your pre-drilled holes in your track and into the pilot holes that you marked. Then, place your connecting bracket onto your track and drill that in place. After this, place your hanger carriers at the end before you put your other track piece on. Finally, connect your next piece and repeat the process until your track is secure. Once that's complete, you will be ready to hang your curtain. Please visit AmericanTrackSupply.com for more information about our products.